Hello, Marcus Brunzi here from How to Kill an Hour. Today, we're going to be comparing the Mavic with the Mavic 2 Pro.
This video will sum up the main differences and, more importantly, see what they are like in the field with a shot-to-shot comparison. Now, here's some stats first. Weight-wise, the Mavic 2 Pro is just under 200 grams heavier than its predecessor. It is 5 miles per hour faster and gives you an extra 4 minutes of flight time. Tracking has had a little update and there are now obstacle sensors on the front, back and sides to stop unexpected crashes like this happening. DJI collaborated with Hasselblad to upgrade the Mavic 2 Pro's image sensor to a brand new high-performance 1-inch size, which is 4 times more effective than the Mavic Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro is able to record over 1 billion colors, which is significantly more than the 16 million colors from the Mavic Pro. The larger sensor also allows you to capture stunning 20 megapixel aerial photos with extreme detail, instead of the former 12 megapixels. We love a good hyperlapse here at How to Kill an Hour, and before, we used to have to use third-party software to make them. Now, DJI have brought this in-house with a few fixed flight modes as well, which makes grabbing the perfect hyperlapse that bit easier.
So, we've captured some stunning images with the Mavic 2 Pro, but there's one thing that we haven't tried out, and that is how it performs under low light settings. So what we've done is, we set the Mavic 2 Pro up next to a Mavic Pro. They're both shooting dusk at the same time, and we're gonna see what the difference in the footage is like, back to back.
The larger sensor also performs better in dim environments. Combining that with the adjustable aperture, which lets more light enter the lens, this gives you results better than ever before in low light settings with minimal amount of noise and color distortion.
So, the Mavic 2 Pro has taken everything you love about the Mavic drone and improved upon it. That's flight, visuals, even the controls feel a bit slicker on this. All in all, it's reasonably priced. It works well if you're a beginner, intermediate, or if you really want to get advanced or use manual camera settings. Well done, DJI. This is a cracking drone.
Shout out to DJI for the drone and Ponan for taking us on an awesome cruise around Norway, which proved to give us some amazing shots. Check the link below if you want to go on one of those cruises. You won't regret it. Thank you for killing some time with us. Don't forget to let us know in the comments what you think we should be killing time with next. Till next time.